Hello guys, welcome back with me Chocho 2025. Continuing the last video about me whining about Wan 2.1 is great but slow. Now we have a solution. Wan 2.1 is now supporting TeaCache. With this we could increase Wan 2.1 video generation speed with little drop on the video quality result. Now open your Wan 2.1 workflow, refer to the how to install Wan 2.1 in ComfyUI for the workflow in the video description. Now open Manager, search for TeaCache and select TeaCache by Top CNN. Click the link to see the setting for the implementation. Back to ComfyUI Manager and select Install. Wait, and restart ComfyUI when you were asked to. Now you will have a new TeaCache node. Put TeaCache after load model or load LoRa if you use LoRa for U1. For model type in TeaCache, make sure you use the same model type in load model. It doesn't matter if your model is quantized. For TeaCache setting, follow the one in the GitHub page for recommendation setting. Here are the result video for the first process. It take only 2.561 second, while the non-TeaCache could take 4.231 second. The next process will take less time, like only 1000 second. Here a comparison between video without TeaCache and with TeaCache, so you judge the loss of quality. And for me, I don't really see any big drop on quality. Both video is created using the same prompt and seed. I also try to increase the length twice, and it take 3.412 seconds in the first try. I make another 33 frame take only 1100 second, usually without TeaCache. The next video usually longer than 2000 second. Now I can even make 105 frame long video. And it surprisingly only take 2.330 second to process. Now I can make 150 frame video without having out of memory. Anyway guys, that's it.